This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Aurora, Colorado. The Aurora Police Department is searching for 10-month-old Amaya Gordon, last seen in the 14900 block of East Alameda Parkway, about 10:45 this morning. Amaya is described as a black female with brown eyes and black hair, approximately 1 foot 7 inches tall, weighing 22 pounds. Amaya was last seen wearing a multicolored butterfly sweatshirt, gray sweatpants, and pink Nike shoes, with an orange swoosh. Investigators believe Amaya may have been taken by Alexis Mears, described as an 18-year-old, black female with brown eyes, and black hair, 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 110 pounds. She was last seen wearing a black headscarf, a gray sweatshirt, red sweatpants, and black shoes. The two may be traveling in a white SUV that was last seen leaving the area in Aurora, Colorado. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.